Hello, so in this video I want to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. So the first thing you want to do is search up Canva in your search bar and type in Canva. And here it will take you to the page where you in the right top corner can sign up. Click on sign up and here you can log in with your Google account or you can continue with another account. So you want to click on continue with another account and here you can continue with Google, log in with Facebook or just with the email. And you can even do it in a different way. So for this video, I just want to make an account with Google. So I click on Google. So as you can see, I just clicked on Google and now it wants me to answer some questions. So here we'll just say for personal work and then I'm done. So after you answered the questions, you now can go to the right top corner where you can see your profile. You want to click on the down arrow and then you want to go scroll down to plans and prices and click on that one. It will then take you to the different Canva plans you can buy. And as you can see, this where it says Canva Pro, you can start a free trial. So we want to click on start a free trial. So after you've clicked on try for free, you can see you will get a free trial for 30 days and you can cancel anytime. You want to pick the monthly, but you can also pick annually, but you want to pick monthly. And as you can see, you will have it free for 30 days and the cost will be $0. So we want to click on next. And here you can type in your PayPal or your credit card. So in this video, I want to click on PayPal and then you need to pick your nationality. And then you can click on the big purple button where it says get your free trial. So I click on that one. And then it will open up a PayPal window. Log in to my PayPal account. And which card it should be. And then I accept. And after you got through the payment details, it now wants you to answer some questions again of what you would like to do with Canva Pro. So for me, it will be starting or developing a business, make videos, personal projects, click on, and then you can click on next. And then you get the message, welcome to Canva Pro. And then you can click on the purple button, it is understood. And after you clicked on that one, you come to the Canva home screen again. Then you want to go up to the right corner where you can see your profile and click on that one. And then you want to go down to the purchase history and click on that one. Here you want to go into the invoicing. And here you can see your subscription for Canva. And as you can see, my trial version expires on the 24th of April. So I want to click the three dots here where it says cancel subscription and I click on cancel subscription. And then it says you still have 29 days left on your free trial, which is very good. And we will send you a reminder, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You want to click on the red button, continue cancellation. And here you just should answer this question. I just took other and then I click continue cancellation. And then it gives you an offer for it could be cheaper to get Canva Pro for the next 3 months. You just click on the red again, cancel subscription. And then you have canceled the subscription and then you got a free Canva Pro for 1 month. And then you want to click on the cross. And as you can see, your Canva Pro plan has been canceled. You can still use Canva Pro until the 24th of April. So that's how you get Canva Pro for free.